Hi team, happy Melbourne Cup Day. May you have the winning horse, and if you bet on it, may you have good fortune. Alright team, quick update from Property Friends. On the 19th of November is our final champion team meeting for this year. I'm opening up as a special to up to 4 guests. Normally it's a closed door, closed circle meeting. But if you want to see what's going on in the inner circle of Property Friends and what's going on behind closed doors, give me a call. Last but not least, the RBA has left the rate at 1.5% as expected. So all is good. Stability is making for good ways of property investment. My forecast is that a number of the country areas, such as Far North Queensland, will be picking up and will be going very hot very soon. So let's see what happens. On that note, have a good one and have a good Melbourne Cup Day. Bye bye.